IP is a valuable asset when it gains some value. It might happen at the inception, or in many cases, the value doesn't kick in until down the road. So it is always the case that at the beginning, nobody really thinks about spending some time, money, and resource on the protection or even getting the patent or properly registering it until somebody says, hey, the piece of that asset you have is mine. And when that litigation kicks in, it's very costly for the company to show that everything that went into that invention is their own. Then, unfortunately, there are a lot of people who would claim that somehow their patent is infringed by your own asset. So it is likely that the litigation or the problems solving down the road is very costly, especially when the company is doing well. So you have to balance the fact that yes, it does cost some money, time and resource up front for the future protection, which could pay off later. So it's kind of insurance premium. The cost of litigation is one of the harder things to estimate because out of all these allegations in lawsuit, most cases settle. And when it settles, usually the settlement amount are forever shielded as a part of the non-disclosure agreement. However, when the lawsuit goes all the way to trial, the two phases that cost the most are discovery, where both parties have to go into their hard drives and people's notes and memos to identify and provide any relevant information to the other party. Also, the actual trial costs a lot because it involves a lot of people. So it is usually the case that both parties try to work out a settlement before the discovery or before the trial. But these two things are very, very costly and also unpredictable too. So IP value goes up when it gains a value. And that's when it attracts people. So a lot of companies who are successful enough, let's say, to achieve Series A finance, that's when it is likely for them to receive a letter or two of the demand or cease and desist letter alleging that their IP has been infringed upon by your use or by your service. So it's a very good indicator in some cases of how successful your business is, because nobody will come after you if you are not successful or if you don't have money. But that's when you should be fully allotted, because if you get one case, then it's likely that other cases will follow.